the message your request was declined as we detected unusual activity on the Temu app? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, this usually happens if Temu's system thinks there's something suspicious with your account or payment method. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Step 2. Update the Temu app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and make sure you're running the latest version. Step 3. Verify your account details. Go to your profile, check your email, phone number, and address. Make sure everything is accurate and matches your payment details. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If you're using a card or PayPal, switch to another one, as sometimes the system flags payments that look unusual. Step 5. If the error still shows, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Temu, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, simply delete and reinstall the app. And finally, if nothing works, contact Temu customer support through the in-app chat. Explain the issue, and they can review and lift any restrictions on your account. That's it. Follow these steps, and you should be able to fix the unusual activity error on Temu quickly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy fixes.